Yo, there is an entire Taquico Illumina in this bitch. Let me take this lens off. That is hella funny. Nigga blew his whole suspension off back here, blood. As you can see, we back in the back roads in the Touge. We were supposed to link with Blood with the Honda, but he said he was gonna be back here at about 3 o'clock. If he was up here, there's absolutely no cell service, so there's no way he could have heard our beckoning and call, you know what I'm saying? So we're just up here, we're riding around, mashing around. We've got the S197 again, and just chilling. We're kind of not trying to see if there's some cats out here that's trying to run something, but in any situation, there's somebody out here that really want to run something. We're just gonna see what these ain't falcons, but they some firehawks. They a bird. They are a bird.
We're testing the birds out.
We're running an alternate bird. Competitive birds. These are gonna get tested out to the maximum on a track day coming up here pretty soon on the 23rd. Rather see, or I should say he would rather see how they are in a track environment instead of testing the limits on the streets.
By far.
They seem pretty good. I haven't driven on them yet. We got some cars coming, nothing real good, but we just gonna be at the ready. So we'll check y'all in a second.
Woo, all through that, it's working.
That's what you were?
It's working.
What's working?
That's that traction control. When you get light off of that, it quickly cuts the throttle so that it doesn't spin.
So we just passed some guys that was sitting off in one of the little park spots. We're gonna see if they saw Cuz up here, or if by chance they decide that they wanna, you know, do it moving a little bit. But we're gonna pull up here and talk to him here in a second.
I'll have the mans in there one time.
What's up, y'all? Yo, this cat be up here with a Accord, 4-door Accord with the H22 in it? Yeah. Oh, really? Okay.
Man, we missed him.
Oh, he was up here?
Yeah, he was up here.
Oh, okay, yeah, we
He
just
was like going back and forth for like a couple of times.
yeah, that's what we do. Yeah, we trying to link with him and see what was up, get a couple runs in.
He might be up here. I don't know. Probably just like somewhere.
Yeah, we're down.
Going for Redwood or something like that.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we're just up here looking for, for
fun?
some, yeah,
Bored
yeah,
as
really,
hell.
really, yeah.
Bored as fuck.
It's like if you guys are down.
Okay, yeah. I mean, if they're down, like, yeah, we're good to go.
Yeah, I think they're gonna go down to like Redwood and do like a couple of runs or something like that. Or
Yeah, we can run Redwood. That'll work.
Yeah, that's down. That's cool. That's what's up.
Homie in the Silver Meadows there, he'll like do a little run with you guys.
Okay, he headed this way.
Yeah, he's going to Redwood. Yeah.
Okay.
oh, you still got the
Say what?
Whoa, what the hell?
So go ahead and leave.
Yeah, he can go ahead.
You try to keep up with him in the brick. We'll try to keep up with you in the big brick. All right, for sure. All right, for sure. Ooh, you got some rigidity in that boy.
Yeah, Cage, to be honest.
We already got some line compromise.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Got
Don't let them get out on you.
We got all kind of line compromise.
Yeah. He said, let the Mustang go behind you. You better run this nigga, boy.
All right, we'll see what we got.
Yo, you letting him get in third.
I can't, I'm locked. God damn. Yep, I'm locked out. Ah, fuck. He's out. Yep.
Yo, why you let him do it like that, guys? Why you let him do it like that? Why you let him do you like that? They are cutting lines. They're cutting lines. So you need to understand Blood, they don't give a shit about the lines. You're trying to stay inside of them, and yeah, I know. And they're like, fuck that shit. Go, go, go. You got it. You got it. You got it. Go, 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 go. Yeah, son. Yeah. Get with the locals, guys. Get with the locals, guys. He's cutting it. Go. Go, 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 go. Oh, this is a roller coaster, bitch. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo. You got it, you got it. Yo, go, go. Cut. You got it, you got it. You got it. Yeah, that's why he went over here to show you. He just went to show you the line that he was gonna take. That's why their cars are hella soft so they can handle this shit. Go, flat out, flat out. You got it. Alright, no, yeah, he just notified you. Woo! Why did that nigga take this one? Hey, these niggas is demons. These niggas is demons, guys. Yeah, go, 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 go. You got it. You got it, you got it. Use throttle, use throttle. I know you got that traction control on. I felt it, I felt it. Oh, I ain't gonna lie. I wanna drive.
I'm scared to get in the passenger seat. I don't know how you sitting over there.
I'm not gonna.
I actually want you to drive, but I'm scared.
Let's go, let's do it.
I ain't getting in the passenger
Come on, Blood, we got the time.
Hey, yo.
Hold up.
Hold up. Don't fucking
I'm not.
I don't want him to kill me.
What's up, bud? How you doing?
No worries, all right.
Oh, so we came up here looking for other blood. We found some other bloods. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is kind of cool. Like, that's what I'm telling y'all.
We started down there. I got locked out.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
That's what I'm telling y'all. It's always good to just come hit back roads, because half the time everybody's out on the street trying to do pools everywhere. Come up here, have some fun, some wide open spaces, get some fresh air, good scenery, and then you meet some mashing ass people. So, Jay and I are gonna switch. Now, I haven't driven this. We ain't gonna die, but we're gonna see what we can do.
I can't do this. I don't ride roller coasters, Blood.
Yeah, I know you don't.
Deaf Blood.
We're chilling.
If we have to, if I cannot take it, just slow down, and we'll tell him when I get there the driver punked out as a passenger. Okay? Oh my God. They really, oh God, I can't. Watch, definitely watch the front. Easy on the entry. He's trying to be a boy. Watch it in the back. Watch it. Watch it. Please, watch that shit. Hey, watch that shit. I can't do passengers. Yo. Traction control, I'm doing this thing. That's traction control. Don't let it slide like that. Don't let it slide. Trust me. Don't let it slide. It's trying to, but don't let it even get there. Whatever you gotta do, don't let it slide like that. Alright. A lot of stuff you're gonna have to be slow in, fast out, slow down, way down. God damn it, Lex. Lex.
Jay, I got you.
What?
I know, I got
I'm saying don't even push it like that. Don't even let it do that. I don't want to take it there right now. We're good.
We are going to the upper room.
Oh shit.
I
do not like this shit. I don't like it. Alright, nigga. Oh my God. slow down. Flex. Look, stop. No.
I know, I'm not pushing it.
I don't care, bud. Don't. Shit. Flex. Don't do this.
All right. We have nothing to prove. All right.
Damn.
I'm backing up.
Shit.
I'm backing up.
Just tell him when we get there. He saw us. We were there. Jesus Christ. Slow it all the way down. He'll meet us there.
Okay.
Slow it down.
All right.
They're cooked. I gotta have to tell this. You're about to kill us, nigga. You're really about to kill us.
Not. Now what we
I
just
told you though,
experienced.
they get
What
heat
we
cycles.
just experienced was
Jesus Christ, you tried to kill me.
one.
Fuck.
As like being a passenger.
God
he
damn,
trusts me, right? He does. Don't get this fucked up.
Yeah.
This is just he's not comfortable with roller coasters. He's not comfortable with passenger seats on this.
Not at all.
And I feel him. I understand.
And
yeah, go ahead.
you don't be in this car like that.
And I don't
okay?
be in this car like this. So this is literally the first. You guys are seeing me just like last weekend. This is the first time I've driven this car like this.
And your ass was pushing too goddamn hard, nigga. I'm just saying. Yeah, you see what I meant.
No,
when
I know
we
what
came
you-
through with
yeah.
Manip, that last one,
Yeah.
that's how they were starting to feel. And that's why I backed way off. Because everything was a don't even. Why are you still pushing it? You're pushing it. It's not over. I'm not stupid.
This is over
I
with,
know
right?
where we're at.
This is
No.
the end of the track.
No.
Right?
You got a couple more turns.
Oh, really?
Yeah, be easy. And they're tight. These tires are done right now. We gotta stop and let them cool off.
We're
We
all
literally
right.
have to stop and let them cool off. He gonna do too much. He gonna do way too much. That's why I told him,
Were you grabbing the seat while you were like?
Oh, I was grabbing everything. I don't never ride passenger. I never.
He shut me
I
down. It
wanted
wasn't
him
no
to drive
off or down.
it because he
was
been
like, no,
bugging
stop.
me. But I was like,
Hey, dude, you can
oh,
drive.
for sure. I
You guys-
appreciate it.
These, hey, we were wondering if you were like, it's like, are you gonna keep up or not? It's like they were in for a ride.
Way cooler than you.
No, yeah, I was worried about the. I put these old little cheapo Firehawks on this thing. I don't really trust them, and I was like, but yeah, on the way back they started getting cycled out and was sliding everywhere. We were good going, but coming back, this motherfucker started, and I was like, shut it down,
Bro, to see you right on my ass, I was like, God damn, I'm breaking a sweat.
I was being cautious. You see, he wasn't. Okay, so I was being mad cautious because I don't trust these. I just put them
Well,
on.
I love that you guys drive the fuck out of this.
Hey, no, I appreciate
That's how
it.
you do it, man. That's how you're supposed to drive.
You got, yeah, that's how you supposed to try.
And it's manual too?
Oh yeah, oh hell yeah.
But I would just hear that roar behind me, and I'm like, damn, he's still there.
That's the Rouches. Yeah, the Rouches let you know. The Rouches let you know.
They're there to make a present.
Oh yeah, they echo through the. I love that shit.
Wait, do you guys usually drive over here?
We used to be up here on bikes way back in like 06 and shit, and then I'd be through here in various cars from time to time, so I don't live that far away.
When you first fucking bombed over it, he's trying to stay in the lane. I'm like, fucking go. Like, you
No, I was going to go off of what he was doing. He was already, go. I'm like,
go, get this motherfucker.
hey, real talk, I'm way more reserved and cautious than he is. So yeah, that,
He was sliding around right behind me.
he
I
was
turned
trying
around
to
and
drift
he
through the
was
whole
Hey,
fucking
I did not
canyon.
lift the
I'm
throttle.
like,
The traction control was doing that.
yeah,
okay.
I
It's-
make
it's
sure
a
to keep it on
dangerous car,
because
dude.
it's. I won't take it off. All right, y'all.
All right, have a good one, guys. All right, so that was very interesting. We ended up coming across another group of like Touge boys.
After a couple of runs, they
the Firehawks?
heated out. Yeah.
What I'm
you
able
can
to
keep
deal with,
going,
right?
Nigga, I could keep going too, but the problem is, it's not worth it at that point. It's too. It's
Well,
too
that's
fucking
true.
crazy.
I understand. Yeah, that's
that's
true.
what I'm saying.
That's true.
It's not that I can't go any
No,
faster.
no. It's not
I'm
saying
just
that you couldn't.
you or me. It's not saying
Right.
that.
Right.
It's that it's not worth it
I
at that
understand.
point.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
sliding all over the fucking place. Nigga, we
It
don't
was
even be
sliding.
Trying to get through there.
He
like
tried it.
Racetrack. He tried it, boy. It
He
like,
was doing
nigga,
the maximum of work
Yeah.
though.
That's why I don't be playing like that. Because I know it's gonna fucking get ignorant.